What's up, Peak Timers? This is the 2020 Hot Wheels A-Case. This video has been brought to you by granatoys.com. The most asked question I get on Peak Time Racing is, where do I purchase my Hot Wheels cases? And it's at Grana Toys. Grana Toys offers a full line of mainline and premium Hot Wheels, as well as Greenlight, Matchbox, Disney cars, Johnny Lightning, and M2 machines. Check them out at www.granatoys.com, or also check them out on their eBay. There'll be links in the description box below. The treasure hunt for the 2020 A-Case is the Bubble-Matic, and the super treasure hunt for the 2020 A-Case is the Nissan Skyline Gtr BNR32. Let's go ahead and start unboxing it. And looks like our case got a little bit squished inside, but let's go ahead and start at the top right here. And the first one we have is Fast Gassin', then Night Shifter, and then Diaper Dragger. And we'll go on to the top ones over here as well. We have got Snoopy, Dodge Challenger Drift Car, Mazda MX-5 Miata from 1991. And next we have the Custom 77 Dodge Van. We have two of the Driftstas. And on the top over here, we have the Road Bandit. That's a brand new casting, very interesting casting. And we have the mainline variation of the super treasure hunt of the Nissan Skyline Gtr BNR32. Very nice. I actually like the mainline variation of it. Looks really good. We'll put that aside there. And up top right here, we've got Wheelie Chair, 69 Chevelle, and Quick Bite. And after that, we see a brand new casting, which I've been really looking forward to. It is the 1998 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version WRX. Look at that, beautiful. I love the blue with the gold wheels, looks fantastic. Then below that, we've got an Octane. All right, let's see what else we have here. 2005 Ford Mustang, and this is one that I was also looking forward to. It is the Pixel Shaker. Very interesting pixelated casting of the Bone Shaker. Like that, can't wait to open that one up. What else do we have down here? We have got Fast Gassin'. We've got the 2010 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake and the Honda Monkey 250. And below those, we've got the Bubble-Matic, and I think that's the treasure hunt variation. It is. It's got the little treasure hunt logo right there, just on the side right there. So there's your treasure hunt for the case. And then we've got two of the 64 Chevy Nova wagon gassers. And what else do we have? We've got a Land Rover Land Rover Series 3 pickup, and that looks like a new color variation of it. Kind of interesting graphics on the side, and then the white wheels and the white walls on there. Looks a little bit cool. We've got the Custom 77 Dodge Van, and we've got a Skull Shaker. We'll move on down to the bottom now. Take that off there, and let's pull that forward a bit, and we can see what we have up top here. New color variation of the Indy 500 Oval. I really like this casting. Looks cool. That's a nice new color for it. Dodge Charger, 69 Dodge Charger, and the 1985 Honda City Turbo 2. Another color variation of that one. What else do we have up top here? Dropping cars in the case, but that's okay. 64 Nova Wagon, Art Cars, Dodge Challenger Drift Car, and what is this one? Tooligan. So it looks like a new color variation of Tooligan. And below that, we've got Justice League Batmobile and two of the 83 Chevy Silverados. We saw those ones in the previous case. And we've got Justice League Batmobile and two of Roger Dodger 2.0s. And above here, we've got 2018 Copo Camaro SS new color variation, Jaguar XESV Project 8, and the 69 Mercury Cougar. I was going to call that a Dodge something. I don't know, what would that be? Dodge what? All right, what do we have down here? Porsche 911 GT3 RS, another one of those Jaguars, and another Porsche. It's interesting. There we go. And we've got Jaguar XJ220. We've got the 69 Dodge Charger and Dragon Tail. Below that, we have another Jaguar XJ220, Hot Wheels Formula Solar, and Quick Bite. Comment below, guys, which one's your favorite car from the 2020 AK so far. Classic 69 Nomad, Ford Ranger Raptor 2019, and another Nomad. And what else do we have down here? Mazda RX-7, another Ranger Raptor, and that cool Lamborghini Huracan. I like that new color variation. Got some new videos of that one coming up soon too. And we've got the Tomb Up. We've got Gotta Go, another color variation, and Carbonator. And our final 3 cars from the 2020 A case is 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata, the Aeropod, and another one of those Lamborghini Huracans. 2020 Hot Wheels A-Case highlight cars, and they are the Indy Oval, the Indy 500 Oval, the Nissan Skyline Gtr BNR32, love the color of that one, the Pixel Shaker, a very interesting new casting, can't wait to open that one up, and of course the Subaru Impreza 22B STI variation. That color is awesome. Love that, love that. And we've got the Road Bandit. And I know a lot of fans from overseas, I believe it's from the Philippines, that this was based after a real life car casting, some sort of bus of some sorts. I'm sure you guys will pipe up in the comments to let me know the more details on that one. And last but not least, the Land Rover Series 3 pickup. Comment down below which car was your favorite from the Hot Wheels 2020 A case and which cars you're looking forward to in 2020. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.